Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an HP Deskjet printer that prints blank pages even though it looks like it's working normally. Now this usually happens after the printer sits unused for some time after changing the ink or when the ink flow gets blocked. The good news here is that in most of the cases, you only need 2 or 3 quick fixes in order to solve it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it step by step. So as I've told you earlier, in order to basically fix this particular problem, you need to understand the cause. So the most common cause of this type of problem is the dried or the blocked ink. So HP Deskjet printers use the liquid ink, and when you don't print for a while, the ink can get dry inside the print head. So this stops the ink from reaching the paper, which is why the pages come out blank. So in order to fix this particular problem, simply open your HP Smart application on your phone or on your computer. Now, once you are inside, you just have to look for the option of print maintenance or print quality tools. If you are not able to find them over here on the home page, you can just simply go inside the settings of it. After that, you just have to basically look for the option of clean print heads and let the process finish. So once it is finished, this alone brings the ink back and fixes the blank pages problem. Now, if the page is still blank, the next thing that you can do is you can just simply look for the cartridge contact. For that, you need to open your printer just like so. After that, you need to remove both of the ink cartridges from it. Now, the ink cartridges of yours are going to look something like this. Now, sometimes they look installed, but they are not fully connected. So you can take a dry soft cloth and you can gently wipe the copper contacts on the cartridge. So this is going to be the area which you need to basically dry, and you just have to use a soft cloth for it. Then after doing this, simply reinstall them firmly until you hear a click sound. Now this is going to help the printer read the cartridge properly and allows the ink to flow again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.